Relax and escape to a tropical paradise with a refreshing drink in hand. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to craft the ultimate summer mocktail, infused with ingredients that'll lift your spirits. Cheers to enjoy more fun and wellness combined with a Hopped Mangorita. It may be simple, but this Hopped Mangorita is anything but boring. Plus, with only 3 ingredients, it's super easy to make at home. First, use a lime wedge to coat the rim of your drinking glass. Tilt your glass and dip half of the rim or the entire rim in several tablespoons of coarse pink Himalayan sea salt and lime zest. Next, gently fill the glass with ice cubes and add a ½ ounce of agave syrup with a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. Lastly, top the glass with mango hop water and stir until well combined. Place a lime wedge on the rim of your glass for a little garnish. Each can of hop water is packed with 120% of your daily vitamin C needs, and it's the perfect +1 to all of your social plans. Non-alcoholic, no calories, no carbs, and no sugar. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.